smell's gone. You give it 2 hours, didn't you? Checked it. You give it 3 hours now. No, you give it another hour.
Yeah, can you see all the stuff that's dripping?
Hold on. Can you put it on another tray?
Yeah, I've got a tray in there that's collecting.
Oh yeah. What were you telling me about the butter and whatever?
It's the butter because it hasn't. It's not a.
Oh, it's still wet.
Yeah, a little bit. Nearly there.
Need some more?
Yeah, nearly there.
Yeah. What are you looking for at the end of the knife? It's quite firm still. Yeah. But what are you looking for?
It's just a little bit too wet.
Oh, it smells gorgeous though.
But because
You can try the other one.
I would imagine
But where are you going to put it?
this one will be the same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not quite. What were you telling me about the...
Can you see the fluid all dropping out?
Oh yeah. What's that, the butter and the stuff?
Yeah, because it's not sealed, is it? The cake tin's not sealed because it's got a loose bottom, hasn't it?
Oh,
So
right.
it drips out. It's just the butter.
Yeah, look. But the house really, smells of it now. Smells lovely.
So clean the oven for next weekend.
Right. So what are you going to do? Give it
I'll
another
give it
hour
another half an hour, maybe.
Another hour.
Maybe 40 minutes.
to check. Right, okay. It's had 2 hours. Excuse me. It's had 2 hours. Then it had an extra hour. Then it had an extra 40 minutes. Woo! Ready? Don't. Where's your oven gloves?
I think it might be done.
Oh. Listen. Is it crackling? No.
No,
Right.
yeah, I reckon that's okay.
Do you think? No?
Yeah, I think so.
A bit more. No, want some more?
Just a tiny bit more.
Yeah.
Let's pull the other one out.
Okay. But it should have sort of... Maybe the temperature go up, maybe?
Oh, crap.
Push that along. Now looks
This
like
one
a
looks cooked.
different top on it, look. Top's done a different thing.
Yeah, that one's cooked.
Oh.
You can feel difference.
Yeah.
That's still sticky, isn't it?
What's that one?
See, looks.
Yeah. Look, try that again. Do another test. Right. Should come out fairly dry. Yeah. Pretty. Hold on. Yeah, nothing on it.
Yeah, we'll
then
just put that one in.
Compared to that one, just put your knife back in there. Where's that one? Compared to that one is it's in the same hole. Try a new hole. There, it's my new. That's it.
It's still a little bit
Yeah,
inky.
yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Because it will sort of retain its heat anyway, won't it? And it will dry. Because you'll hold these now for a while, won't you?
Oh, what on?
You know, you'll. It's not a sort of eat them straight away job.
Oh, God, no.
You're meant to hold them for how many weeks?
Well, you can cook them a couple of months before Christmas.
Oh, can you?
Mm-hmm.
Oops. Right, that one's getting a bit more. What's this one?
That was towards the back, so it's more towards the fan, isn't it?
Possibly.
But that you can actually feel it's not sticky, is it?
No. And it's the top has sort of done whatever it's got to do.
Yeah. So we'll
Okay.
just leave that now.
So how long are you going to give that another?
Should we give it another 20 minutes?
30 minutes?
30 minutes.
Time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you can you see the dribble from the bottom of the
Yeah.
cake stand?
Put that underneath, on the top.
Yep.
Is that because it's sort of sweating?
It's because it's been buttered.
Yeah. Battered. I put batter on it, did you?
Sharp.
Shut up.
And also it's greaseproof paper.
Oh, all right. And it's the batter. Right. Here we go. Is that looking better? Because it goes underneath marzipan anyway, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. I'd turn it upside down.
Oh dear.
I think that's cooked anyway.
Oh. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Ready? Don't do it that way. You should always wipe a blade pointing backwards. That's it.
That's what we're doing,
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, I don't want to do it too
Dry
much
out.
because it'll get too dry.
Okay. Yeah, that's the middle. Come on the edge here, where you've not been before. That's it. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. don't know why that
Oh,
one-
lovely.
That must have been wetter or something, I don't know.
Hmm.
I have got clean hands.
It's like
before
cooking
I
like a
do
brick, and it's firmer. And of course, as soon as it stands now, when it stands now, it'll become better. Careful, don't burn yourself. Take your time.
this. All that oil.
Oil. Careful.
Butter.
Butter. What, batter? Careful. Right, okay.